Did you know facial recognition can unlock your phone? Pretty cool, right? But did you know it can also identify missing persons and catch criminals? That's right. This technology is changing the world as we know it. It's like something out of Star Trek, but it's happening right now. Facial recognition is exploding in popularity. It's powered by artificial intelligence and is used everywhere, from unlocking our phones to enhancing security measures. This tech is even changing how we search for images online. But hold on. Before we get too excited, we need to talk about the potential downsides. Things like privacy concerns, possible misuse, and even bias built into the algorithms themselves. We need to be careful and use this technology responsibly. We're on the cusp of a new era of identification. Facial recognition is a game changer, but we need to make sure we're playing by the rules. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of facial recognition and explore its incredible potential and the ethical challenges it presents. Imagine a world without passwords, where your face is your ID. Convenient, right? But also a little creepy? That's the double-edged sword of facial recognition. On one hand, facial recognition technology makes our lives easier and safer. It helps us find missing children, prevents fraud, and even diagnoses diseases. It's like having a superpower. But on the other hand, this technology raises serious privacy concerns. It can be used for mass surveillance, tracking our every move, and even predicting our behavior. Talk about Big Brother. And we can't forget about bias. If the algorithms are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. That's a big problem. Facial recognition is a powerful tool, but it's up to us to ensure it's used for good and not for harm. So how does this futuristic technology actually work? It's like magic, but with a lot more math. First, the system captures an image of your face. This could be from a photo, a video, or even a live camera feed. Next, it analyzes your facial features, measuring the distances between your eyes, nose, mouth, and other unique characteristics. Think of it like creating a digital fingerprint of your face. This data is then compared to a database of known faces. If there's a match, the system identifies the person. It's that simple. Of course, the actual process is much more complex, involving sophisticated algorithms and machine learning. But the basic principle is the same, using facial features to identify individuals. Section 4, Beyond Security Facial Recognition's Surprising Applications. Most people associate facial recognition with security and surveillance, but this versatile technology is capable of so much more. Take image search, for example. Have you ever searched for a photo online using someone's face? That's facial recognition in action. But it goes beyond that. Facial recognition is being used to diagnose diseases, personalize advertising, and even create art. It's even helping to protect endangered species by identifying individual animals in the wild. Who knew facial recognition could be so creative? As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more unexpected and fascinating applications emerge. The possibilities are limitless. Section 5. Navigating the future of facial recognition. Facial recognition technology is rapidly changing the world around us. It has the potential to revolutionize everything from security to healthcare to art. But as with any powerful technology, it's crucial that we proceed with caution. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations to prevent misuse and protect individual rights. What do you think? Is facial recognition a force for good or a threat to our privacy? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. The future of facial recognition is in our hands. Let's work together to ensure it's a future we can all embrace.